Hey, what's up everyone? So it's Sunday today and I'm going to Sir Michael Theodore Unite of Unite Krafts, and meron tayong pinagawa sa kanya na isang butcher block or carving block for brisket and ribs na ginamit natin for a raffle last Father's Day. I'd like to do small raffles like these, para to encourage the community to engage, and somehow to give a little fun doon sa maliit na grupo. Actually, hindi na siya maliit, it's almost 5,000, and we are growing. So marami na rin mga enthusiasts and mga gustong matutong mag-smoke and mag-grill, and one way to encourage and motivate yung mga members natin doon sa group na yon is to facilitate and initiate mga raffle prizes, so it's also my way of supporting them, para especially yung mga startups na yun yung way para ma-expose din yung mga products nila. These are people who are struggling para to start something, I've been a startup before, and now I'm running for 3 years, almost 4 years na, and I didn't have a lot of exposures like these. I'm not holding grudge, pero somehow yung mga hindi ko na experience before when I was starting up, sana magawa ko yun to other startups na nakakilala ko. Anyway, I'm about to leave. Sa Malolos lang naman yon, so it's about 20-minute drive from here. So i-pick upin natin yung butcher block. Alright, so I'm on my way to Malolos, Bulacan. I've known Sir Michael siguro about 2 years na rin, I think it was 2018 when they visited our workshop. Actually, not because of the smokers, nagpunta sila dun sa workshop because they wanted to order a smoked brisket yata, or parang gano'n, or parang naglechon yata kami, tapos order sila ng lechon na yun. And kasama niya si Sir Lito Manansala, Sir Lito is also a fabricator. Siya yung owner ng AV Make Industries. I'm a fan, I've been following him, his page. He's also very instrumental din on Michael Theodore or Unite Krafts startup, I've seen him assisting Sir Michael, and so ngayon I will visit his workshop. I love seeing people start from scratch and then unti-unti na improve nila yung kanilang craft, Ay, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko rin kay Sir Michael is that he tried to start something na fresh, something new, or yung sarili niyang idea. And that's where I think nag-start siya sa paggawa ng mga survival bracelets, parang gano'n, and then mga cellphone stand, cord organizer, until siguro he's been improving his craft hanggang sa nag-start na siya gumawa ng mga butcher block, butcher block, hindi ganun kadali maghanap ng butcher block na malalaki, kasi especially when you're doing smoked barbecue ay malalaki talaga yung slab ng brisket and ng ribs, rack. Hindi siya typical na mga lang na chopping board lang, You need to have a bigger block to carve those meat after smoking. So when he started yung paggawa ng mga ganon, I'm very impressed, and also I tried somehow kahit papaano yung little help ko to encourage him to pursue that craft, kasi nga hindi pa maraming gumagawa nun. So now as one way of helping him doing this and beginning something something new, something fresh, is to have his craft as a prize doon sa ating community, no? I'm very happy with what's happening with the community, you know. Marami yung nagjo-join and nagiging diverse, no? Alam nyo, I always believe that sabi nila, if you have a bigger group or community, it will be harder for it to manage, no? Actually, for me, community, you don't need to manage community, no? You just need to grow with the community, no? Kailangan mo mag-grow with the community kasi different culture, different backgrounds, different personalities, you're putting them all together in one group. You don't need to really manage them, no? Kasi the members create the group and the members create the community, no? And somehow wala ka naman halos talagang gagawin kundi to really support and encourage yung mga members to keep doing the craft and keep smoking. And one way to do that is facilitate and initiate nga yung mga ganitong raffle. And on the other hand, it also helps yung mga startups na ganun din naman tayo nung nagsimula. Alright, so we're halfway doon sa lugar nila Sir Michael, and I'll update you again later pagdating doon. Hey, what's up guys? So we're here now at Unity Krafts, no? That's Sir Michael, no? As I was telling earlier, I've known Sir Michael from 2 years, no? 2018 when we first met doon sa basement. Naalala mo nung umana kayo ng lechon, no? Tsaka ng brisket. Yan. Dito siya gumagawa dati. Yan, no? So, he's a startup and I hope you can support him. And I was once a startup, no? Si Sir Lito kasama niya nung nag-visit noon, and Sir Lito has been a big help din sa akin when I was starting up. Yan, so ito yung kanyang lugar. Yan. Maliit ang lugar so far. Pagka maliit ang lugar, ibig sabihin, nagdedemanda na expansion.
Medyo dusty pa, nag-mail kasi power.
Every Sunday ka? Weekend worker?
Pag walang pasok.
Okay. Meron din ako mga ano doon, sir. Hindi ko nagagamit, baka kailangan mo pag pakiano ko sa'yo. Meron ako, kaso, ano ka na eh, high-tech ka na. Yung, ano ba siya, yung parang pangkat, kaso may pangkat na parang na ganito. Yung nasa alang muna lang siya, di ba? Ito galing daw kay Sir Lito Manasara. Sir Lito is the owner of AV Make Industries, no? Madalas ko din kausap si Sir Lito. Every time na may katatanong ako, si Sir Lito rin yung takbuhan ko, no? I've been following his page din, yung Lito Manansala TV. And now, up and coming and rising na rin yung Unity Krafts, no? I'm very happy with the progress and improvement din ni Sir Michael. Kaya, one way to support his craft to feature him, no? So, prize raffle natin, no? And this is very helpful. Actually, binigyan niya tayo magandang discount doon sa kanyang butcher block. And I'm sure very happy yung nanalo doon. Alright, so I'll be uploading this video then. Siyempre, I'll put the link of Sir Michael. Support natin yung mga startup. Hindi madaling mag-startup, no? And normally, pagka nagsisimula ka pa lang, doon yung pinaka-struggle, no? And it will take 1 year or to 2 years bago talaga mag-take off yung business. So, during the first 2 years, kailangan yun ang todo suporta dapat tayo sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Ayan, Sir Michael, thank you, ha. Ano bang mga product mo dito?
Nitong nagdano ako ng mga phone stand, tapos tablet stand. Tapos ngayon naggagawa ako ng prototype ng
Solid pala, no?
laptop stand. Pero small crafts muna.
Pero mas mahirap ang small crafts, eh. Ano parang para sa akin, parang yung detail,
Ma-detail,
no? Balo na kita, no?
Okay.
I-fill in ko
Ay,
lang.
ito pala yung butcher
I-fill in ko lang yan. Yan. Iyon, no? Laki, oh.
Kasya kaya?
That's the butcher block, no? Ay, nako, kasya dito, miski. Etong butcher block na ginagawa, ang bigat. Etong butcher block na ginagawa ni Sir Michael, you won't find this on any kitchen store or mall kasi nga, normally yung mga smoke barbecue enthusiasts, they are smoking yung mga big slab of brisket and the rack of ribs. Carving table actually din to, no? Kailangan ng malaki talagang butcher block or else gagamit ka ng dalawang chopping board para lang ma-accommodate mo yung isang slab of brisket. And ang ganda, mabigat siya, solid wood, beech wood, no? Tapos for sure na season din ni Sir Michael, no? Meron din siyang groove sa gilid para yung audio niya pag nag-slice ka, hindi kakalat agad doon sa pinagpapatungan mo ng butcher block. Sir Michael, thank you so much dito sa sa pagkaano ba, pwede mo sila invite sa page mo. Ayan.
Sa Instagram, Unite Krafts, tsaka sa Facebook, Unite Krafts.
Unite pala Unity ako ng Unity pag So Unite Krafts.
Okay.
Thank you, Sir Michael, and we have the butcher block. Ipapadala natin to. Medyo mabigat siya. Di ko alam kung magkano i-charge sa akin ng LBC dito. Anyway, this is one way to support our community and encourage them to continue smoking. Huwag silang hihinto, no? And of course, once again, please support Sir Michael, no? Homegrown, matagal na siya sa PCP, at one way to balik din sa community is to support yung mga homegrown crafters, no? Thank you very much. God bless. Alright, so kagaling natin kay Unite Krafts pala, no? I've been pronouncing it wrong for the longest time. So hindi pala Unity Krafts, it's Unite Krafts. They have a Facebook page and Instagram page. And yan, so maikli lang na silip natin yung kanilang workshop. And I'm very happy for him. For 1 year, he had a lot of addition na doon sa kanyang mga tools and kanyang workshop with the help of yung co-fabricator na si Sir Lito, and talagang he's expanding slowly and surely, no? And by the way, there's the butcher block na pinick up natin at kinuha natin sa Unite Krafts. That's the prize for our Father's Day raffle, no? Ang bigat niya at ang laki niya, no? So I myself, I can attest to you that this is a good product, no? It's heavy, it's wide, it's long, and it's perfect for carving brisket and yung mga smoke barbecue natin, no? Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope you are inspired and motivated, and at the same time we are also asking you to support local and support yung mga startups, especially yung mga tao na out of nothing they are trying to create something, no? And yeah, I once was a startup too. I get support din naman, no? So I know that it's a big help pagka nakatulong tayo, especially sa mga startup na ganito, kahit sa maliit na paraan, no? I love to see people succeed, no? I love to see people get up and do the work to create something and to start something. And I hope na you've learned a thing or two dito sa ating video, and I hope it motivates you to do the same, no? Alright, thank you very much, and smoke on.